All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining. And today we have another young baller, up and coming star for the future, Omario or Henry, one of the main attackers for the Calabar Manning Cup team. Where's his number 14? Favorite player, Felipe Coutinho. You know him young, so you don't know the real baller then. So Coutinho and baller. 'Cause if you know the famous number 14, one of the greatest ever Premier League striker wear the number 14. And that is the reason I asked him about it prior to this, because Thierry Henry are the main man when in regards to number 14. But Omario, how are you doing?
No man, good man, sir. I don't say I Henry my name and I Henry my name too, so yeah.
Because Henry name. Oh, all right. So how old are you?
16, I'm 16 years old.
So what is the main position that you play, and which position you enjoy playing the most?
Lying on the left side of the field, 14.
On the left side of the cutting.
I have that kick there.
The top corner.
Yeah. Watch love that. Them say me 14, love that man.
Oh, that's how you rate Coutinho, so.
Yeah man.
Okay, okay. All right, makes sense, makes sense. So basically, as I informed earlier, you're 16 years old,
Yeah.
which means that you have like what, 3 more seasons a Manning Cup in your foot?
Two.
Two. Okay,
Me and one.
okay, two more. Well, that is a lot, how much Manning Cup season have you played already?
Play two play 2019 and this year.
Oh, okay, so you have two Manning Cup seasons under your belt and two more to
Yeah.
go. So that is good. That is good. At age 16, that is really, really good. So how do you balance schoolwork and football?
So so to be honest, so I'm also the track and field.
Track and field?
Yeah man, I have
Which
champs
where
medal
did
and everything there.
where did I track and field?
The 100 meter and 200 meter, but I'm kind of eat a break, still.
What is the time in a 100 meter?
Fastest time I ever run still, 11-0, class 2, first year 2.
Oh, that good enough.
But I never achieve follow it up. I'm not like training too hard, somewhere else.
It's harder than the football training.
Yeah,
Yeah, me not agree with that. Me not agree with that because after me play football, then me go do tracks. Me even run a champs too. Me even run a champs. And me not lie. The tracks training rough. It rough. All right, so for you, because you're so young, you're still 16 year old. You guys didn't have such a great Manning Cup campaign. Was the team just solely a young team? Most of you guys are in the same age bracket.
well, now most of them I play ball still from reaching a 7th grade.
Mm-hmm.
We have a good bunch of players. Up till next year, I still have a good bunch of players.
You will be the same team.
Yeah, majority. I just few of the players them have go.
Okay, so I'm
That'll be the
that is
same team I use and win under 16. That's it.
okay. You guys won the under 16.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, understood, and that's good. That's good. So that means in the Manning Cup next season, you guys should be having a team that is ready and rearing to go.
Prepare.
Yes, man. And that's good. That's good. So how was it the feel in the camp after you guys didn't make it through to the second to the quarterfinals of the Manning Cup?
Well, kind of some done it school, done it the ball thing, and we disappointed because 2 years straight now I go group stage. That's it. So
Okay.
feel it now we and some done it at the school and all these things.
Mm-hmm.
Cry, all of them there. I have a good team. On paper, them so win the league already. All
Okay.
of them.
All right. At the beginning of the season now, Wolper thought did I mention about Calabar now? Wolper thought
Yeah, beat down people, beat upside. Yeah,
in the preseason.
yeah. All will make
Um,
arguments that.
so you mentioned to me earlier before we started live that you also what level you play for Cavaliers?
Well, play under 17 go down. They are Premier League training. Supposed to they are Premier League training now, you know. Yeah, Premier
Nice.
League team. And that's everything goes straight down. Okay, man, going a title. Same way.
With Cavaliers.
Only Super League, play Major League. Only man.
So at 16, we have find time to play so much football, Super League, Major League, and you're supposed to have trained a Premier League team right now at age 16. That is tremendous, you know.
Well, enough people so gifted now. I'm father. I'm father of it now. From you see, people say that.
Okay. But so let's say looking forward to play for Cavaliers first team at this moment.
Yes.
Break into the first team. What would you
That,
say is what would you say is your favorite attribute as a footballer?
well, I'm pace,
Your pace.
Yeah, man. Speed.
Oh, okay. So based off what you said earlier, you said that you can play anywhere across the front line, anywhere basically across the front line. Um, what normally when you go on a field, what are the instructions that coach that look on you and tell you to do?
Them some play basic football. Pass. Me do my thing that I run left people and everything there.
Okay, so I'm give you the freedom.
Yeah. Take ball, run left people. Score goal.
No. As I say, you much goal score in the Manning Cup this season.
3 me get.
You have any assists?
Oh, 4.
4 assists, 3 goals. In how much games?
Much game play. Oh, 6.
6.
Win 3 penalty 2.
And you win 3 penalties. That is good. That is really, really good. So like we have a young superstar on our hands, man. So like we have a young superstar on our hands. So well, it is very, very good that you have that level of talent. But what I wanted to do now, because you see in this world of football, talent is big, but to achieve the greatest goal, talent is just like 10% of it. Or let's say 20%. The rest of it is hard work, dedication, commitment, and discipline. That is the rest of it. So not saying that you don't have it, but I'm just telling that you'd have seen to be, based on the information I've gotten already about you, you'd have seen to be a very, very talented person. And what I want you to do is to just remember that principle. That talent is only 20% of the achievement that you want. Discipline, dedication, hard work is the rest of it. I want you to remember that, because to reach at the highest level, you will want that 80%. You will want that 80%. So it's really nice to have you on, Omari Henry. Hopefully you can come again next season.
Yeah, man. Me have a there same way, man.
And we
Probably
will have you.
still, but there, man.
Yeah, we will have you on again on the program next time out. Hopefully you are doing very, very well, and we will talk again. This was a very, very good interview, very, very insightful on what you do, and definitely time will come where we meet again, and then now you have a different thing going. Hopefully things work out for you with the first team, Cavalier first team. I would love for you to break into Cavalier first team at that age. As we know, Cavaliers is actually going at a direction of youth, so that is very good as well. So we'll see you again next time. So
Yeah, man.
people, thanks for coming on again, Henry, and we'll talk again, right?
Yeah.
Massive respect. Take care. So people, thanks for tuning in, people. We have the young Omari Henry with us, and hopefully everyone is doing good. And I'll see you guys again. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Military to Guna TV people. I